Off to do some late night maintenance at the laundromat. I debated whether or not I was going to do it tonight or tomorrow night, but I ended up choosing tonight because we're supposed to be having some severe thunderstorms. So I figure this will be a good chance that everybody will be, or nobody will be out. So stay tuned. What's up, guys? Down here for some midnight maintenance. Since there's storms rolling in, I'm hoping nobody will be in here. I'll be able to work. Not in peace and quiet, but usually when people come in, they're right in your way, and you can't be rude to your customers. But I gotta hurry. I'm gonna clean this place, sanitize it, and rebuild that washer. I've gotta hurry because I've got some great looking sugar cookies waiting on me at home. So during this time, the pet clinic next door has been offering drive-up services. People just pull up, they call the vet, let them know what's going on. The vet comes out to them, and it's basically curbside service. So, but I'm gonna have to get my area cleaned up. So I don't know. I might have a decent little work area. Don't judge me too much. My space is dirty. I found this in the dryer the other day. I'm really hoping that's for insulin. You know exactly what that's from. That's from some drain stopping. That would make for a good video. I've got what? I got seven. I've got 7 front loaders that have drain valves on it. I can go through and clean the drain valves one day. It's like a gold mine on them. I've not done that in quite a while. So I'll plan on doing that maybe next week. I've got a lot of stuff to do, but I'll work it in somehow. All right, first thing I did was take out these 2 screws. That'll let you pull this out. What you're going to want to unplug is this one, and then I unplug that. Actually, you don't even have to unplug this, never mind. There are 2 7/16 bolts here and here. Don't ask me about the wiring on this. I'm not sure why the previous owners did this. You know how stuff like that goes. All you do is lift up, pull out a little bit. We're going to take that hose down there, which is the fill hose, and we're going to take this off right here. Did you see what happened on these rust buckets? So now I'm gonna have to find a water pan somewhere. This thing is just a little rubber gasket. That's all it held the end by. Ow. Just pulls out like so. While you're in here, check it, make sure it's not dirty. That will cause your washer to overfill, so that they could use their Simply Safe camera. They'll try to sell you special tools galore. You don't need them. Sometimes you can pull that bell off by hand. Other times you got to pop it off. You can go ahead and pop this off, get it out your way. And of course, while you have it off, go ahead and clean it. Let's take a breath. Just like that. Don't worry if that happens. You got a replacement part. Hey, there we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. They just need a good oomph. Now you'll put these up clamp off. The screws will come out on this one. But that'll just make things easy for us. Same thing on that side. This whole motor assembly. Up and out. You can see your problem. See how rusted it is. And this one, listen to that. I can't, dang son, that was bad. That's probably the worst I've ever seen. Can't even get it to move. So just in case. Simple as that. Line that up. Grab your transmission. Remember which way it goes. Don't be a doughhead like me and not mark it. Don't be like me and break something. Fortunately, then having to lay down and do it. You just gotta think about it a little bit. But main seal. Put your main seal on there. Put your installation tool on there. Put your hub on there. All you're doing on this is getting the seal pressed down on there. That's all you're doing on that step. There's a metal ring right here. You need to take your fingernail and make sure that that metal ring is sticking up over this lip. It'll stick up about 1/8 of an inch over it. And you put you on some more silicone here. Don't be shy. Go around. Make sure it's sealed. Kind of push it in and up at the same time. That way it don't just daub out and spread out on you. And then do one final pass on it to make things look good and seal up. And there you go. Put that down there like so. Spin this around until you get on the hose up. You see why they send you a new hub and new bolts. And this goes on top, like so. That goes down there. here. Plug this back in. That's all she wrote. I hope this was somewhat helpful. I don't know the official time on it. I think it took me about 2 hours. This is just what I do. I leave it in place. I go ahead and take it at my back and get the drum fixed, and I bring it back out, and I'll have to wait 24 hours, let this dry and set up, and then the washer will be good to go. So I'll catch you around.